Hello and welcome to Celebrity Home. Magkapatid na sina Ivana Alawi at Mona, kinaaliwan sa kanilang bagong video. Gumawa sila ng kanilang Maybe This Time version. Si Mona ang umaawit habang sinasayaw naman ito, ng kanyang ate Ivana. Ito ang kabuuan ng kanilang nakaka-good vibes na video.
She smiled like she used to smile way back then. She's feeling like she used to feel way back when they tried. But something kept them waiting for this magic moment. Oh, maybe this time it'll be loving they'll find. Maybe now they can be more than just friends. Oh, amazing! You did great!
Ayaw pa nakantayin yun, kaya ako sumayaw para lang kantahin. Sabi ko, sige ka. So pag may mga request na kayo kay Mona, comment nyo na.